Hey guys, happy new year and welcome to 2020. So I know I haven't put a video since the beginning of the year, but there's been a lot going on. I actually just got an apartment, and right now I'm doing like fixtures and finishing touches. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys an apartment tour. Well, empty apartment tour for now because I've not really set up. So let's go. This is balcony for the kitchen. So this is dining. So, well done. Same room at the balcony as well. Here it is. Sorry. This is the main room and the wardrobe. This is toilet. Yeah, that's all. Please, can I just enter? I actually like this space because the lighting is good. So that's pretty much everything. This is such a big space. I say, like, in as much as I like space, this is a big space, and I don't know what I'm going to do with all this space now. Anyway, so I'm going to come back and show you guys when I'm done decorating. Not decorating, but I don't have money to decorate, but when I'm done setting up. And right now everything that is just in my head is, what would Dima do if she had this space? Like, how would she set stuff? If you don't know who Dima is a beauty blogger slash interior decor slash everything fashion. You need to follow her, or you need to subscribe to her channel. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. I have my apartment level. But man, the influence Dima has on me. No, I'm not making this video about Dima, but like the moment I just got into space, I'm like, Dima on me. What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do if she got the space? So yeah. Everybody's gonna be mine. See how good the lighting is. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this video. I need to go and continue to set up and buy things. My cousin and his friend and my friend are actually helping me out with buying things and setting up. So yeah, it's been a very tough process, especially when you're trying to minimize your front, but at the same time you want to make sure you have a very decent place. So yeah, I've just been doing a lot of market runs. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out. Ah, oh shit. Oh my god, my friend just said I'm acting like Kim Kardashian. Let me show you. Say hello. Yo. Then are you? Oh my god, I can't zoom in. Anyway, this is Akiloli. He's helping me to fix my TV because I can't do shit on my own. I was confused. How confused? Wow, I'm tired. You people. Adulting is so shitty.